Take the discussion forward with the Muthoot Microfinance. Sadaf Sayeed, CEO of Muthoot Microfin, is now joining us to talk more about a new line of business which is opening for them, which is distribution of insurance. Talk to us about the potential, Sadaf. Clearly, you want to bank upon your already well-entrenched distribution network with this tie-up. And what are the potential? Does it have any cost element, or at zero cost you actually start making good profits? So talk to us about the rationale of this view.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for inviting me here. I think this is a great kind of opportunity that has come to us. We are a microfinance player catering to the bottom of the pyramid customer. Our space is financial inclusion space. So far we have been providing loans to our customer, but at the same time, we also look at the insurance needs of our customers. So we cater to almost 3.35 million customer across 19 states. So in tie-up with the insurance company, we have been providing products such as credit shield insurance, which is in terms of any kind of a customer's death or the spouse's death, any earning member's death, the loan is covered. Similarly, we have products like natural calamity insurance. In an event of flood or natural calamity or any damage to the property of the customer, they get the claim. And also we provide medical insurance. So all put together, we generate a premium of around 500 odd crores every year. And we are able to kind of take insurance product to the last mile and able to provide these kind of facilities to our customers. I think this corporate agency license will allow us to negotiate better on behalf of our customer with the insurance companies and tie up and stitch a product which suits to our customer much better. And we will be able to offer much more customized needs. So one of the needs is like protection for our customers. And after the COVID, the realization in the customer is that they need some sort of a cover like a medical insurance. So we have done a product which is very much appreciated by our customers, where we provide an insurance cover to a customer at a very nominal cost. A family member of 5 is covered in a premium of around 600 rupees for a year, and they get medical benefits, and even if there is a loss of wage, they get a benefit. So I think similar products we will be able to offer. At the same time, the company will also get the benefit of earning some revenue through this business. We have been offering this to our customers through our 1,508 branches. And with the premium growing every year, almost around 30%, we will have the opportunity to earn some revenue from this opportunity.
Right, Sadaf, obviously you will have some opportunity to earn some revenue here, but also are you already in talks with anything in terms of partnership with insurers, or how is the process moving? And primary focus is going to be what? What is the need right now that you're getting in terms from your consumers for the insurance side? Is it health, life, auto? What is the form of insurance that you will be looking to give?
Yeah, so we already have tie-up with all the leading insurance players, which we provide to our customers. We are gonna have a much more elaborate tie-up in terms of customizing a product to suit our need. We have done an extensive survey among our customers. We met almost around 10 lakh clients, and we understood with them what is their most important need. And these are bottom of the pyramid household, and we essentially lend only to ladies. So the lady of the household has told me the number one priority for the household is health and well-being of the household, and then education of the child, and then financial well-being comes in. So considering that health is the number one priority, we want to focus on health insurance product. At the same time, we also provide our customer protection against any sort of an eventuality like any flood or cyclone. So we will also cater into a natural calamity insurance product to our customer, which will safeguard the financial well-being of the household. It's very, very important for our customer because coming from the economical weaker section of the society, any sort of an event like a flood or any kind of a illness in the house takes away all the saving of the household. So if we are able to provide medical insurance at a cheaper cost, and also a natural calamity insurance to our customer at a reasonable cost, definitely this will help our customer to save their savings and also kind of progress further and continue to kind of improve on their livelihood.
So Sadaf, tell me about how this fee-based income source for you over the next 2-3 years can become a meaningful part of your overall profits. I want to know. One is your core business of microfinance, but it appears that you're taking strides toward having a nice book of annuity book of fee-based income as well.
Yeah, thanks for asking that question. So, as of now, like for the last year, we have reported a profit of around 450 crores, and we operate on a ROA of around 4.5%. We collect an insurance premium of around 500 crores every year. It's growing at a rate of 30%. So, definitely with this corporate agency license, there is an opportunity of earning a 5 to 10% fee income. So that will directly add to our bottom line, and it will definitely add to our ROAs. So this will definitely take our ROA above 4.5% in the coming years.
Okay. ROA of 4.5% is what we could be watching out for. Also, just in terms of a bit of a fundraising, yes, you were in talks about the recent ECB fundraising is what I want to highlight. So, what does this overall mean in terms of your debt? How will that look like for the company going forward, debt on the books, and what would this fundraising mean?
Yeah, so thank you for asking that. I think ECB fundraise was our effort to diversify our sources of capital. So essentially, we have been borrowing money in the form of term loan from banks, which is domestic bank, foreign banks, public and private sector bank. Almost 48% of our debt comes from in the form of term loans from banks. Another around 22% comes in the form of structured loan. So balance 30% comes in the form of NCDs and ECBs. This focus on ECBs for us is to kind of diversify our fund source. We have just done a ECB round of around $75 million, and we have seen a lot of encouraging participation from foreign investor. We raised around 75 million, and we had a green shoe in which we had a tremendous demand, and we raised another 13 crores, so $38 million. So over $113 million of ECB raise we have done, and it has come at a very competitive rate. And we have raised around 950 crores. The two advantages of ECB is that one, it's by design, it's a long-term debt. So it is 3.5 years and more kind of a debt. So this allows us a better ALM situation in the balance sheet, because most of our debt from the banks is 2 years. This is 3 years. Secondly, ECB is at a bullet repayment, so we get more time to utilize this money and give more loans to our customers. So that is also a great advantage. And most importantly, it helps us to reduce our cost of fund. And I think in the long run, we will continue to focus on this space. Right now, our mix of loans or the debt is 70% through banks and 30% through other sources. In the long run, this would be around 60 to 40, and in next 5 years, it will be 50-50.
Okay, Sadaf, thank you so much for joining in with us on ET Now this afternoon, talking to us about, obviously, in terms of entering and getting the approval for the insurance agent from the IRDAI. Thank you so much for that. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.